Our objective is to impact to 100 million people by end of 2025 with improved sanitation and hygiene solutions. This is an enormous task that will only be achieved through active partnerships with the community-based organizations, the private partnerships, the development partners, and also the government sector. So there are various ways that you can plug in as a partner. For example, you can join in to create awareness in regard to the need for improved sanitation. You can plug in as a provider for sanitation solutions. You can plug in the distribution network and market development.